Lolasana, it is an advanced asana. We have to sit in Vajrasana and then place your palms next to the body and then lift it and hold it as long as possible. That is the asana. Some people find it difficult. If you are new to yoga, if you are new to this asana, practice basic asana, Surya Namaskara for some time and then practice this. Now let us sit in Vajrasana. There are two types, okay? You can either keep your hands, palms like this or this. Anything is fine. Some people find it difficult to lift while keeping the palms like this. That is why I came up with this. Okay, you can also do this. You will get the same benefits. Next thing is, as I said, the hands have to be close to the body. Don't keep it away. It is not the right way. And then lift and bring this close to the body like this. Same way from the side angle. Okay, as I said, we can also do like this. Okay, this way. While doing this asana, you don't have to hold the breath. Let the body breathe. This has multiple benefits, starting from, it will strengthen your wrist, elbow, shoulders, and also especially it is good for the core. If you are planning to reduce your tummy fat, this helps a lot. And also this will strengthen. As I said, if you are new to yoga, if you are new to this asana, start with few seconds and then you can gradually take it up to 30 seconds or 1 minute. That's more than sufficient. To get the benefits out of this, you have to do it regularly, correctly. Morning is the best time, otherwise evening is the best time.